So let's do a maintenance video, okay? So I've had this wig on for about 5, maybe 6 days, okay? So I've taken it off and I put it back on. But I'm going to show you guys my morning routine when it comes to making my curls pop back, okay? So after I've been wearing it for a couple of days, and this is how my hair starts to look. It's dry, and I'm just going to give it more life, give it the life back. So I'm going to finger detangle my hair first. I'm going to set my hairline because that's the easiest thing to do right now. So I'm going to take a little bit of my Got To Be free spray, my Got To Be gel. I'm going to put it on my baby hairs, lay my baby hairs down how they are supposed to go. I am going to put a little bit of Got To Be gel on the lace that is lifting. And after I lay that, I'm going to take some Got To Be free spray my hairline lightly because I don't want it crunchy. And then I'm going to lay it down with my edge wrap. So this edge wrap is from the actual company, Asteria. Like I said, if you want to see the original installation video, I'll have a link down below in the description box and at the end of this video. So this wig is 250% density. She's thick, okay? So you are going to have to use product with some oomph behind it to tame this girl, this wild beast. Look at her. She is a lot, okay? But she's beautiful. So I'm going to split my hair down the middle, and then into two sections, and then in one section I'm going to split it into two sections again. I'm going to comb her out with a paddle brush or whatever kind of brush you want to call her. I could not find my what is that little wet brush from TikTok that went viral? I love that brush. I don't know where it is, but umbrush, that's what it's called. I could not find my umbrush, but I just used any brush that I had at the time, and I detangled it. I put water in it just to help, comb it through. It's okay to dry comb, but you're going to get a little breakage from that. So you definitely want to comb it with your hair a little bit wet. So that's what I'm doing. And then at this point, my hair is detangled. Well, this side of my hair is detangled. And so I'm going to just comb the product through, and I'm going to do this exact same thing to the other side of my wig. So because I am pouring water on my hair, I'm going to take a towel to dry some of that water off because I do not want dripping hair. I was getting ready to go out for the day. So let's talk about some more specs on this hair, okay? So this is a 13 by 4. It is a true 13 by 4. It's not one of those half frontals. You get all of the parting space. This hair came bleached, it came pre-plucked, and it is very thin lace, okay? HD lace. My wig cap is in a size large. So again, I'm a wig cap 22.5. So I did get a large because I do have a lot of hair underneath, and right now my hair is bulky underneath because I don't know how to braid, so I have it in plait, so I needed that extra room. Okay, so right now, after my hair is combed out, I'm going to use some mousse from Cantu. This is my favorite product to use. A lot of people don't like this product. I don't know why, but this is one of my favorite products to use for curly or wavy hair because it just helps the hair pop. Okay, like I said, you want products that has a lot of oomph behind it, because if you don't, this hair will get big on you. So I use an excessive amount of this because this is a lot of hair, and I'm definitely going to make sure that I'm massaging that product all through the hair, my hairline, everything. Not my hairline. I'm not going to touch my hairline because I don't want my wig falling out because I did a glueless install, okay? But I'm going to put it at the front of it so the front of my hair could be slicked and just juicy and nice, okay? So after that, I am going to comb that product through and just have the curls popping. See, it's popping right here. It's a lot of hair. Oh my God. It's just a lot of hair, but it's so good for me. So good for me. Anyway, this is, I think, a 26 inches in length. And this is where it falls on me. I'm about 5'4". So these are my leave-in products I'm going to use. And I did spray the African Pride off camera, but the Afro G is what's going to do it for me every time when it comes to hair textures like this. I use this on my natural hair texture, and baby, when I tell you that the definition is bomb, okay? This is something that you are going to need when it comes to thick units like this, or coily or curly kinky units like this, you are going to need this product because it's going to clump your curls together so nice, and it's going to leave your hair hydrated. Okay, you're going to see at the end of this video what my hair looked like dry, and you would have never thought that was my hair dry. It looked wet, but it was fully dry. So I am using a nice amount. I'm not going overboard with this. This is an expensive product, okay? It's expensive, but I highly recommend this. I highly recommend this for your natural hair and for your wigs of textures like this. So I'm going to put it in, comb it through, make sure the curls are popping, and make sure that everything is sitting where it's supposed to sit. So just to finalize everything, I'm going to take my hard bristle brush, and I'm just going to brush the front of my hairline, because after I put all of my products in, I do not touch my hair. I let it air dry, and it just comes out really bomb. So this is what my hair looks like after basically all the products in. I'm going to take one more product. This is Beyond the Zone Heat Protectant Spray. I love using it because besides the heat protectant spray, I love using the product because it gives the hair a wonderful smell and a wonderful shine, and it just gives your hair so much luster. And especially with textures like this, you want your hair to have a lot of luster because it can come off a little dry. But yeah, I deep conditioned this wig with silicone mix. I want to also say that because it's also going to help keep your hair healthy. This is what she looks like freshly with all the products in there. My hair is fully wet in this video, and then my hair is fully dry in this video. So you could tell a difference. She is dry. She is just giving so much life. If you want to see the original video, I have a link right here. If you're interested in this video, in this wig, I'll have it linked down below in the description. Bye, best friends.